Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Racing Trucker. So it's 5 in the morning, and we're headed for Texas today. We're going into the ice storm. This is our second day of our trip back from Daytona to Sonoma, and ice storm ahead in Texas. So looking at the weather, normally on this day, I'm sitting right now in Theodore, Alabama, and normally I can make it within my 11 hours barely to Junction, Texas. Well, everything basically after Houston is completely frozen right now. The hill country is just a mess. So today's going to be a short day. It's about 7 hours. We're going to go to Baytown, which is just this side of Houston. It seems like they're at 36 degrees right now, and they're not frozen yet. So I'm going to get into Baytown, and we're going to hang there and see how things look tomorrow. I got a feeling we're going to be sitting tomorrow. And then the next day we'll continue on across Texas. That hill country, love it, but it gets frozen and the ice develops on the bridges really bad. And there's a lot of bridges over the washes through there. So pre-check is done. As you saw, coffee is on board. GPS is set. Uh, the when I was pouring my coffee, I don't know if you could hear it in the background. The truck decided to go into regen, so it's almost done with regenning. I hate to disturb it when there's only 4 minutes left. So I'm gonna wait for the regen to finish up, and then we're gonna hit it and let's go.
Come through fall with thunder gun, screaming loud for the morning sun. Charlie hides, we ride the tide. Keep to the code, the captain cries. Yo, no home, no God. Yo, can't see the sun. Heave ho! Under that sun, burning bright till the fight is done. Heave-ho! Fortune's gone. We just sing that jungle song. They say a pirate's life for me, but this war ain't no fantasy. Parley hell, there's none to call, just echo shells by the bamboo wall. Gold for the generals, dirt for the men. We'll burn it all and do it again, like black men said in the jungle rain. Fear's a fire that keeps me sane. Heave-ho! Under that sun, burning bright till the fight is done. Heave-ho! Fortune's gone. We just sing that jungle song. Old man Charlie stalks the ridge. We cross that river like a makeshift bridge. Dead man tell no tales, he said. Only ghosts out here and the jungle's dead. Take what you can and burn the rest. That's what the sergeant said in jest. But we know truth, and truth don't sleep in the jungle deep. You sow what you reap. Heave-ho!
Just a little update. We've been driving now for a little over an hour. I've gone about 85 miles, and we got about 5.5 hours left, 349 miles to Baytown. So right now we are crossing Mississippi, almost to the Louisiana line. Then we'll go across Louisiana and get into Texas. Forgot to mention this morning when I got up, it was a balmy 70 degrees, nice and warm. I actually did my pre-check outside wearing shorts. Uh, don't think that's going to be the attire when we get to Texas. So I left there. It was 70. Like I said, we've gone about 85 miles towards the storm, and temperature's still 70. So not hitting any cold weather yet, but we'll keep on trekking. We'll cross over the Mississippi here in a little bit and see what it's like on the other side. My main thing was getting across that 21-mile bridge it's a causeway that goes across the Louisiana swamps. It ices up and freezes really early when it gets cold. And they close it down because there's no on ramps or off ramps or anything on it for 20 miles. So I want to get across that before the storm hits there. And it looks like so far the temperature stays like this. We'll be good. So continuing on, guys. So the other day when I left Daytona, I mentioned I went up about 30 miles or so to a way station, and myself and some other haulers, we camped out there for the night since Daytona doesn't allow us to park on premises. One of the haulers that was there, a good friend of mine, Bob, he used to actually drive this truck and work for Steam and Racing. He's now with Carbon Racing. They're out of Colorado. So Bob left the way station yesterday, same as I did, but he went north. He went through Atlanta and up into Tennessee, and then he's going to go across 70 to Colorado with this ice storm and everything. I'm kind of wondering how he's doing. So let's give him a call and see how he's doing.
Hello.
Hey, Bob, how's it going?
Oh, it's going. A little bit white, but it's going.
A little bit of white, huh? Okay, so yesterday we both left the way station. I went west on 10, and it's a balmy 71 degrees right now. I'm outside of Baton Rouge. How you doing?
Well, I'm in Oak Grove, Kentucky at about 27 degrees.
Oh,
Little bit warmer than when I parked yesterday. So I parked at, I think it was about 17 or 18 degrees. Lot of snow on the ground. I'm just off of 24, just outside of Tennessee. So as I said, it's very white out here.
very white. Okay, how many miles did you lay down yesterday?
I did about 740, somewhere in that neighborhood.
Wow, you hammered
I
down.
I threw a lot of miles. Well, I was really trying, since we knew this was coming, I was really trying to get out of the frozen zone.
Okay.
I didn't quite, yes, a lot of miles, but I didn't get I would have liked to have gone farther, but of course, hours of service will not allow me to do that.
Ah, of course. Yep. All right. So what's your plan for today?
My plan for today is absolutely nothing. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to sit and wait this out, as I need to run up through Missouri and down in the corner, St. Louis area or what have you. It's supposed to be really bad weather today. A lot of snow coming out, super low temperatures, and I'm not going to put myself in a position. As
Gotcha.
of course we know from watching your videos and stuff like that, we haul very, very big dollars worth of equipment, and we cannot put ourselves in any bad positions to not bring these loads home.
Oh, absolutely. Very well said, Bob. Yep, you're absolutely right. Yeah, so you're sitting out today. I'm going to get to Baytown outside of Houston and sit it out tomorrow. It looks like everything's frozen past Houston tomorrow. So you and I are both about a day behind schedule, but hey, like you said, we got to take care of this equipment. Right on, Bob. Well, you take it easy, man, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. See how you're doing.
Right on. Enjoy. Be safe, huh? Be
Yeah.
safe.
Under that sun, burning bright till the fight is done. Evil, fortune's gone. We just sing that jungle song.
righty. Well, we just went through Baton Rouge and crossed the Mississippi. We're on the other side. And sure enough, right after crossing the Mississippi, the temperature kerplunked, dropped drastically. We started off this morning about 70 degrees and slowly started going down to the 60s, into the 50s. And then all of a sudden, it's like we went past the line. It is now 35. So it's definitely gotten colder outside. Still above freezing, thank goodness. But definitely we're getting into it now. Not as bad as Bob up north there. He's stranded for the day in the Great White North up there. But yeah, we're heading into it. Here we go. All right. Well, we're on the 20-mile bridge. As you can see, it's just guardrails on both sides, no place to go. And I got a problem. I'm on the floor right now. This thing will not do over 60, which is the speed limit. The speed limit up here is 55. But I think I got clogged fuel filters. My boost gauge doesn't go over 28. Normally it's closer to 35. Had this happen before. I do have spare fuel filters with me and the tools and everything to do it. Just need to get somewhere where I can safely do it. I'd rather, hopefully I can push it and get to either to Orange or to Baytown where I want to get to and wait it out. And tomorrow after the storm passes, when it's just cold out instead of raining, I get in there and change the filters. All right, so let's continue on and hope for the best. Well, we made it off of the 20-mile bridge. I got good news and bad news. So I discovered a workaround. It is not the fuel filters. It's something to do with the electronics on the truck. It automatically defaults to economy mode. And in economy mode, I am not getting full boost. I started really losing power and I threw it into power mode. And in power mode, I'm getting full boost and the truck's acting totally normal. So that's good news. It looks like we can continue on and make it. The bad news is the systems here, they don't like you to be in power mode. So it stays in power mode for a few minutes and then it defaults back to economy. So every few minutes, I got to reach over and hit the mode button and switch it back into power. Kind of a pain, but that's okay. As long as it gets me home, and then once we get home, we'll get it to a Volvo dealer and have them take a look and see what we can do.
Under that sun, burning bright till the fight is done. Heave-ho, fortune's gone. We just sing that jungle song. They say a pirate's life for me, but this war ain't no fantasy. Parley hell, there's none to call, just echo shells by the bamboo wall. Gold for the generals, dirt for the men. We'll burn it all and do it again, like black man said in the jungle rain. Fear's a fire that keeps me sane. Heave-ho, under that sun, burning bright till the fight is done. Heave-ho, fortune's gone. We just sing that jungle song. Old man Charlie stalks the ridge. We cross that river like a makeshift bridge. Dead man tell no tales, he said. Only ghosts out here and the jungle's dead. Take what you can and burn the rest. That's what the sergeant said in jest. But we know truth, and truth don't sleep in the jungle deep. Your soldiery.
Oh boy, this is going to be cold. Alrighty, we are parked. I am in Baytown, Texas, just outside Houston, just east of Houston. So I checked the weather past Houston up towards San Antonio. I usually park on the other side of San Antonio near Junction, Texas. It is frozen up there. It's in the mid 20s. I'm watching trucks come down from that direction, and they're all full of snow and ice and everything. So, not worth going up there today. We'll check the weather tomorrow and see how things are. But today it got cold. I mean, it's cold here. It's 37, but there's no ice. Everything's dry on the ground. It was fine. Um, Also, that problem I was having earlier with not getting full boost and having low power, I pulled into a rest stop to use the bathroom and shut off the truck, rebooted the modules, the computer system, fixed. So it just needed to be rebooted. Everything seems to be normal again, so we'll see if it stays that way. So plan is watch the temperature here this afternoon. Towards the evening, I'll fire up the generator and keep the cars nice and warm overnight. And then tomorrow, I'll rejoin you guys tomorrow. We'll make up a plan. We'll see if we're staying here for 24 hours or if we're skedaddling and heading across Texas. So we'll see. So join me tomorrow. We'll see what we do.